In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify and Discord integration. If your Discord profile isn't showing what you're listening to on Spotify, or the connection seems flaky, follow along and we'll get it working again. First, we're going to confirm the connection inside Discord. Open Discord and head to user settings. That's the little gear icon near your avatar at the bottom. In the left sidebar, click connections. This page lists the services linked to your account. Look for the Spotify icon and check whether your account is connected. If you don't see it, we'll add it in a moment. If you do see it but it's not updating, we'll refresh that link next. When Spotify is connected but not working properly, the quickest fix is to reconnect it. In the connections page, click the X next to Spotify to remove it, then click Add, choose Spotify from the list, and follow the prompts to log in and authorize the connection again. Make sure you're signing into the correct Spotify account and allow the requested permissions so Discord can show your listening status. Next, open Spotify and actually play a song. Discord only displays your Spotify status while music is actively playing, not paused. Give it a few seconds after the track starts. Presence updates aren't always instant. Now, double check a few Spotify settings. Confirm you're logged into the right account in the Spotify app. Make sure Spotify isn't set to offline mode because if it is, Discord can't read your activity. Also, verify your account is active and in good standing. If any of these are off, the presence won't show up in Discord. Let's also refresh both apps. Fully close Discord and Spotify. Don't just minimize them. On some systems, you might need to quit them from the system tray, then reopen Spotify first and start playing a track, and after that, reopen Discord. This resets the connection between the two apps. In Discord, go back to user settings and open activity privacy. Turn on display current activity as a status message. This setting controls whether Discord can share what you're doing, and if it's off, Spotify listening won't appear even if the accounts are linked. At this point, your Discord profile should show listening to Spotify with the track details and album art. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds and make sure the song is still playing. Quick tip: if it still doesn't work, log out and log back in on both apps to fully reset the connection. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.